gorgeous, but the mosquitoes can't bear it. If you need to get rid of the unpleasant insects in your room, use another non-chemical way to get rid of them. Take a lemon half and its top and a few toothpicks. Cut them in half. Stick them in the lemon. Put on the other part. The lemon is set tight and won't turn over. Besides, it'll stimulate the juice production. Take some cloves. Stick them in the lemon, one by one. You want to go heavy on the spice. Cover the whole surface. The strong natural citrus and clove scent will repel mosquitoes and keep your room safe. But be careful to put it away at night, otherwise the citrus smell might keep you awake. Are you going to the beach? Take your phone and book with you. Make a convenient organizer from your towel. Fold up the edge for 2 palm widths. Mark the size, put in your book and your phone. We'll make 2 pockets. Tape the borders. Sew them down. The beach organizer is ready. Adding the pockets is all you need. Your organizer will keep your phone from falling in the sand and your book from opening unexpectedly. Do you like to play balloon tennis? It may be a great outdoor activity in windless weather. Let's make paper plate rackets. Paint them bright. Tape them to get segments. Attach the tape in a double crisscross. Paint it orange. When dry, remove the tape. It doesn't look like a blank paper plate now. Add a handle to finish turning the plate into the racket. You can use hot glue or a stapler. Remember to make another racket. You can play balloon tennis sitting in your deck chair. Are you tired of your old sunglasses? Don't hurry to throw them away. Give your old glasses a second life. Attach pattern tape to the temple. Make a cut at the curve. Press well. We've made a new accessory out of your old sunglasses in a minute. This way of decorating is very convenient. The tape holds tight, but if you want to change it, you can easily remove it. It's better to have a soft drink at hand when it's hot. Let's make a suitable outdoor drink holder to keep your hands free and your beverage cool. We'll need a long metal stick with a screw at the end. You can remove it from an old floor lamp. Take a wide plastic mug. We'll stick it on top. Use the hot glue gun to make a hole in the bottom. Prick it with the hot nozzle. Make a felt pad to cover the fastening. Trace the bottom on the fabric. Cut it out. Hot glue the details. Secure the mug on the metal stand. Screw the nut. Put on the shim. Add the mug on top. Fasten in the reverse order inside. The shim first, then the nut. Apply the hot glue to the bottom. Attach the felt pad. Stick in the sand and put your soft drink inside. You can add some ice in it to keep your beverage cool under the hot sun. The awesome outdoor holder is a must on the patio or on the beach. We hope the practical life hacks will be helpful during your summer holidays. Repel mosquitoes, keep your valuables and keys safe, and give your old sunglasses a second life. Write in your comments what you will use this summer. Hit the like button if you like the video. Click the bell. It'll ring when a new video comes out.